So this is pound dollar analysis for Monday the 13th of August. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've seen prices break down here from the 28.79. We've seen a follow through to the downside down towards that 27.74. We've had a break of 27.74, retest, another retest, and we do appear that we've had another retest. So we've had quite a few tests here on the pound dollar of that 17.74. For now, it is still early. Do appear to be building a base, so if we can break and hold the 17.74, we will then looking for price hit up towards that 128.79, and if we can break and hold also the 128.79 from which we've had this consolidation, the very next level of note is possibly that 29.50, where we do have the 200 period average. Beyond that, the very next horizontal level of note is at 29.83. If, however, we do break down from this 27.74, we'll be looking for a move down towards that 26.73, successful break from which, and we'll be looking for prices to head down towards that 25.81. We'll look for price head down towards 25.81 here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So we head over here to the weekly chart. Over on the weekly chart, we get scaling here correct. And as we can see here on the pound against the dollar, we've had the sell side momentum brief slowed down, but we still had a persistent selling, short sharp acceleration here, all the way down towards, let's just get this correct. So we've not quite had prices travel down to the very next significant low here from a weekly chart perspective, which currently sits at, let's just see where that is, 25.89. So 25.89. So in around at 25.81, we did mention 25.81, so the very next low of significance from a weekly chart perspective is all the way down as 25.81. So if we do see acceleration continuation here, might see a brief bullish bounce, but we do see the follow through to downside 25.81. Previous area we found support in 2017 after having a pullback. So we'll see if we do find support there and see a counter trend move here on the pound against the dollar. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So over here on the daily chart, pretty much got the scaling correct. We've had a pretty persistent sell-off over the past couple of days / weeks. As we can see, pretty strong bearish days, closing near the lows, and we've seen that follow through to the downside, and the odd doji mixed in here. But we've had a recovery. Well, we've had a brief pullback so far, and we do still seem poised for further downside momentum, especially if we do hold below the 27.74. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.